a swimming pool over there in Lautoka, but they were good enough to close out against the Force. The week before that, they put away the Waratahs, so they are very much in form, but winning on the road has been hard for these men. Their last win away from home, round 1 last year, but this man will have something to say about that record tonight, Goog.
This man absolutely will be. Mussy in the centre, 6 tries that he's scored. He's so important to this team, and certainly coming in rare form, round 4, 5 and 6. Outstanding form, and that gives you a sense of what they're trying to do. He's the leading try scorer, 15 tries in 20 games played. That is the sort of importance he's got at 13, and that's such a good mark of how dangerous he is in attack. A 13 that straightens the line and scores and occupies defenders at the same time. Fantastic to see.
Well, we mentioned the Rebels underdog win last week, sneaking home by 6 against the Waratahs. The week before that, they conceded 50 against the Hurricanes, but managed to put 28 on the board themselves. So attack hasn't been an issue for the Rebels in recent weeks, Timmy, and that's thanks in large part to the work. And we are moving in Melbourne as Salakai Lotot takes the kick-off cleanly. Down for Lowrens. Juiced up at first receiver, tapped on cleverly by Gordon. Found down Gunu, just short of the 22. Quick recycle back for Euster. Centre field here for Ravu Talmunda. He's been beating defenders for fun in 2024. That time round, tonight's captain for Melbourne, Talakai, got the Fijian danger man, lost here by the visitors, cleaned up by Gibbon. Willesett finds Gordon looping around, tries to get it away, and it will be play on for Ravu Talmunda. He sockers it ahead, now cleans it up. Ravu Talmunda! They're already on the board, and we've only played 60 seconds.
Oh, what a start. Melbourne Rebels had an opportunity from the turnover, and then the pressure from Ikanavere, the hooker from Fijian Drua, on that man there, Carter Gordon. There's the turnover, and it was advantage over after the potential knock-on.
Is it a knock-on when Carter throws this ball, though? Oh, we haven't seen it.
I'll have a look, Damon Murphy.
I'm sure it comes off a Fijian player.
Shannon McLaughlin, so it might have come off Ikanavere.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks, mate.
Yeah.
Number 2, Canavere rushes up, hits his right hand as he makes the tackle.
Yeah.
Gee, that would have been some sort of start.
You're on screen.
In
Boys,
60
no
seconds.
Try. It's a knock on.
And Shannon McLaughlin, the TMO.
Drua set at scrum half. Armstrong with Vula. A rare run from the fly half, and now he finds Salawa. Good work from Willesett over the ball. Penalty advantage, though, coming here for the Drua. Mira. Lamani popping for Ravu Talmunda. 1v2, no way through, and will head centre field for the penalty. Hits them as sweetly as his uncle as well, and he has his first point of the night. He looks a real fine, this kid, Morgs.
Oh, he does.
He releases, still here for the Fijian Drua. Drua Sesset leaves it out the back. Darren Alungi, penalty advantage now for the Fijian Drua. This one will sting the Rebels, Lamani. Put down by 2 Rebels defenders. Back here for Momo. Lamani wants it fast. Surely it's on short side. It is! Vota scores. Now swings it short side. Vaihu all alone. Gordon has to go in and help tidy up. Willesett again.
Tackle.
A metre away. That's got to be a try. And is. Quick for Darren Lungy now. Ikanavere trying to angle his way past the defence. Lamani goes quick. He finds Rotui Sulia, who will go over. Needs an assist here. Gets it away for Canham, who hurls it out the back for Gordon. Chopped heavily by
Boys, no advantage.
Rotui Sulia. Penalty, Melbourne.
One entry. Dangerous tackle. It's going for an off-field review.
So yellow card, and has the potential to be upgraded to red. I don't think it'll be upgraded to red, I wouldn't think.
And he finds Canham again. Upper man. Down by 12. Desperate for points here. It goes to ground. Willesett dummies and now gets through and gets over. It's a terrific finish. Gordon makes better contact this time and the conversion is good. And at the break, it is 20 points to 15. Carter Gordon restarts play. And it's overleapt there by the Fijian Drua, who eventually tidy up right on their 22 back. It comes for Lamani. Lamani goes shallow with the box kick. The Rebels calling offside, and Damon Murphy obliges. Justin Harrison.
Yeah, it's so difficult to have the presence of mind as a forward. You see a box kick go up, you think you can move forward. The box kick doesn't go further than 10. You're inside the 10 the whole time, therefore putting you offside. You've got to retreat, get away from the landing zone of that ball. This is exactly where the Melbourne Rebels want to be.
Willesett to Canham. That combination has worked nicely tonight. They've been dialed in. They're on each other's wavelength. Willesett trying to rip this one back, scored that try just before half-time to pull his side back into the contest. Willesett at the back, looking to shove it forward. Now he leaves it for Lawrence. Lawrence, Feliwai. Gordon going wide. And off goes Vaihu, who gets it down. It's spectacular in the end from Glenn Vaihu, and it's 2020 kick to come. Canham pulls it in tight. On come the Rebels, and they've got another through the rolling maul. Good tip on here for Tupou. Taniela rummels it forward. Lawrence goes short side, tapped on beautifully for Vaihu, who has two. In some strife, getting looking to by the Fijian medics. Lamani, Drosese.
Tackle!
Rotui Sulia, Lamani. Armstrong Ravula goes wide.
So it's the actions of 9 weight.
Oh, on the back of Josh Canham's head.
Mate, I've seen enough, thanks, mate.
That's terrible
bring it back
from
to me, 9
Frank
red.
Lamani. Didn't need that.
He's going for another
Just
shout,
hold
that
on.
young man.
Yeah, bring it back to me, mate.
You're on
Hey,
screen.
That's dangerous, reckless, it's a red card.
Frank Lamani has had a brain explosion.
It's buckled there by Tupou. Tough sledding coming away from their own line here. Down
They're gonna base for a knock on.
Lamani. Down Gunu. Able to get to the outside. Ups and goes again. Down Gunu. Filippo down Gunu. He's over the line. Surely they don't rob him of this one.
Spicy
Which
matchups
way?
tomorrow night.
Set!
This is a pressure-relieving penalty awarded for the Rebels. And again, it's that second half scrum. Good. We saw it last week against the Waratahs. It's just found its groove so nicely.
such an important vehicle to take the energy out of a team that wants to come back at you and take away some of the advantage. Clearly now a bonus point is the advantage worth protecting.
They'll get checking, all right? Penalties back here for you.
Think about this Melbourne Rebels team is they've come together very quickly and started to find some form. Whoa, that's also going to be a red card.
Time off, please.
That is a straight red card.
Ollie, I've got 18, blue. 18. Striking a player headbutt.
Wow.
Got him Drua in trouble.
Big trouble.
Yeah, red card.
That's
18, blue.
That's
Get
crazy.
you? That's a red card. It's dangerous. It's a headbutt.
Cannon putting them under pressure. He slaps it back. Tuttle will bank the bonus point win against a dangerous Drua. And the Melbourne Rebels, after trailing by 12, run in 33 straight points to move inside the top 4 and take down the Fijian Drua. Full time, the Rebels 41, Fiji 20.